Welcome. In this lesson, we will look into on-size error phase. In previous lesson, we have seen that if the receiving field is small than the computed result, then truncation will happen. However, there will be condition when you are working on critical numeric data and you cannot afford to have any kind of truncation in your result. Behind the scene, a size error occurs when the computed result is too large or too small to fit into the receiving field. And we can catch that size error using the on-size error phase. On-size error phase is followed by a block of COBOL statement that usually alert you that an error condition has occurred. If you are not using on-size error phase, then truncation will happen by default. Here is an example to show how we can use on-size error phase. We have coded a compute statement in which the multiplication of the value of num1, num2, num3 and num4 will go into the final result variable. We are using on-size error phrase, and in that phrase we are executing a display statement which will tell alert final result too small to hold result, and we are ending the compute with a delimiter end compute. End compute is an optional delimiter. We can use period delimit the scope of compute, but it is always a good practice to use end compute. Let's see this table to understand when this on-size error will occur and when this display statement will run. In the first example, we are assuming the actual result came as 761.758. And the result data item, that is final result, is declared with 999V99. Now the final result variable can hold 761.75 and 8 is getting truncated. Since 8 is getting truncated on the right, size error will occur. Now understand with one more example. Here the result is 1761.78 and we are using final result variable with pick of 999V99. The value in the final result will be 761.78. Here the leftmost value, that is 1, is getting truncated. So size error will occur. In the third example, we are passing 374 to a variable of pick of 999. Now there will be no truncation and 374 will fit into the variable as it is. Hence, on-size error will not occur and display statement will not run. In the fourth example, we are passing 1761 to a variable defined with pick of 999. In this case, 1 on the left will get truncated and on-size error will occur and the display statement will execute. Likewise, in the next example, we are passing 326.475 and we are passing it to a variable with pick of 999V99. In this example also, we are getting truncation of the 5 on the right. Hence, on-size error will occur and display statement will get executed. Now in the next example, we are having a value of 326.475 and our receiving variable is defined with 999V99 with rounded phrase. Now in this case, rounding will happen and the value will be stored in the receiving variable will be 326.48. 75 will be rounded into 8. In this example, 5 is getting truncated. Since we have used rounded phrase, on-size error will not occur. Now understand with one more example. Here we have a result of 1326.475 and we are passing it to a variable with pick of 999V99 and rounded phrase. In this case, truncation will happen at the leftmost digit, that is 1, and 326.48 will get stored in the receiving variable. In this example, on-size error will occur and display statement will get executed. Since we are losing a significant digit, that is before decimal, on-size error will occur here. With this, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope it has given you a fair idea about on-size error phrase. Keep practicing. See you.